Hey guys, really excited to show you quickly our massive backlinker. And the massive backlinker is designed to work with the LEadsJet system. So with that system, of course, you're trying to rank sites in a local area so you can have businesses bidding, driving up the price so that you get paid selling leads. So obviously we want to build backlinks to those sites so they can raise in the search engines. So what this is going to do for you is allow you to quickly take some content and create tons and tons of content with titles, article, resource boxes, keywords, and spinnable content so that you can get lots of backlinks out very, very quickly. And we'll see that you can change the city very, very quickly. You can use the same content and build backlinks to multiple sites. So let's take a look at this real quick. This is the first input tab. You can see the tabs down at the bottom kind of explain everything. There's two input tabs. The first one is the article input tab. The second one is kind of all the other things. And the rest of this is what the massive backlinker will spit out for you. We'll see it has titles, 1,000 titles, either double-spaced or single-spaced, resource boxes, double-spaced or single-spaced again, 1,000 of those, and you can see the anchor text right here is built in already. Author names, some software that you use for backlinking calls for author names, so this has 1,000 random author names, and to come up with a new set of 1,000 you can just press Control equal, or if that's for a Mac, or if you're on a PC you can just press F9 and you'll come up with 1,000 random new names. And then finally, here's the spinnable content. We can see our article title is built in spinnable content for you. The article body is also in spinnable content. And here's the article resource box. You can see that's in spinnable format, and also has your anchor text already created, and then your keywords, which are in spinnable content as well. So this sets it all up for you automatically. If you don't use spinnable content, you just want 100 articles, say, very quickly, you go over to the 100 articles tab, and we can see that there are literally 100 articles on here with your title, your body, article resource box, all set up with your anchor text and then your keywords. Now, cool thing is, if you want to come up with a new 100 articles, you just do, again, Control equal on a Mac. Boom, there's new title, 100 new titles, 100 new articles, and the article body is changing as well. So the cool thing is, right now we're doing Orlando, but if we want to go in and switch this to, say, Miami, we'll come in here to our city and we'll put in Miami. As easy as that. And then we just need to come down to the anchor text box. We can see now there are choices for Miami. Let's say we'll pick as our first anchor text Miami cheap auto insurance, and then maybe Miami car insurance. All right, so we're going to target those, and then of course we want to target the Miami page, not the Orlando page. So we just need to change those. We now see that says Miami auto insurance. Boom. And that's it. We're all set up. We can go back. Let's check our spinnable content first. And we can see it's now Miami auto insurance. The article body is spun. If we want new spinnable content, we just do, again, Control equal on a Mac or F9 on a PC. And now we can see it says Miami auto insurance throughout our content, and it's new spinnable content. So, and same thing down here with our resource box. We can now see it's Miami and the keywords that we chose, and then the keywords down here in the keyword box, spinnable, and it's all the Miami keywords. Or if we wanted, again, the 100 articles, we can see it says Miami auto insurance now, and it talks about Miami auto insurance. And again, if you want 100 different articles, since we maybe used the last 100 on Orlando, again, Command equals on a Mac or F9 on a PC, bang, it's that easy. And it's all set, ready to go. So the only input you need is this page. You got to set up, of course, the titles right here in the title creator. Same thing with the resource box down here in the resource box creator. If you don't want to come up with 10 of each, you can just put an X in there and the software will know, all right, they didn't want to come up with all 10. That's totally cool, totally fine. See, we did the same thing here with some of the title creators here. And all this is going to do for the titles is take, for example, it'll say Miami Auto Insurance, and it'll take one of each of these three columns. So it might say Miami Auto Insurance, finding an awesome rate. And then that's how we create multiple titles. Okay, that's pretty much it. The related keywords, of course, you can put in different keywords you want to target, and then here is your base keyword. That's the page you're really going after when you're trying to get your LeadsJet focused on, say, Miami auto insurance. And the only other input you need, of course, is articles. So it takes you need to put in 8 articles with 8 paragraphs each, and then the rest is spinning out tons and tons of content. All right, thanks so much for watching. Happy backlinking.